how did you know na si Kat muna ang the one mo? And of course, vice versa
Yeah,
kay
how'd
Christian.
you know it was the one?
Ako, ang sagot ko lagi sa the one question is, how can I be the one for her all the time? So parang, I will do my best to be the one rather than... Kasi pag masyado akong naghahanap ng perfecto, walang perfecto. Walang perfectong tao. So if I can be the one for her at makita niya na yung effort ko, hopefully she will also, and she does, to try to be the one for me. Ikaw?
I never believed in marriage.
Oh, wow.
I never wanted to get married.
May I ask,
When Christian and I found each other, pinakita niya sa akin what I could be at my best. So how could you not know that that's the person for you? And for the first time, I knew in my heart I wanted to get married. So he's the first person I've ever wanted to marry. Except for maybe Edu Manzano.
guwapo mo.